Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech. Today, we're tackling how to pay with your phone using Bank of America in 2025. With rapid advancements in mobile banking, making payments from your phone is faster, safer, and more convenient than ever. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or paying bills on the go, this guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. By 2025, the app will be even more intuitive, with enhanced AI features. Head to your App Store, search for Bank of America, and download the latest version. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account using your bank's online ID. Next, set up your payment preferences. In the app's dashboard, look for the Payments or Transfers section. Here, you'll add your payment methods, like linking your debit card or bank account. Bank of America in 2025 will feature biometric security, such as Face ID or fingerprint scanning, to keep your transactions secure. Don't skip this step, it's crucial for protecting your info. Now, for the fun part, making a payment. Select the recipient from your contacts or enter their details manually. Enter the amount and add a memo if needed. Before confirming, double-check everything. Hit Authorize and use your biometrics to approve. The app will send a confirmation notification instantly. Boom! You're done. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always use a secure Wi-Fi network for transactions, enable transaction alerts in your settings, and keep your app updated for the latest 2025 features like voice-activated payments. If you run into issues, the app's chat support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, folks. Paying with your phone via Bank of America in 2025 is a game-changer. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.